I love displaying kids' artwork, so this really fun tutorial is going to give you a creative way to store kids' artwork. I partnered with Deco Art to transform picture frames and clothespins to make a kids' artwork display frame.
Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama, and I help families just like you with practical organizing, decorating, and DIY tips.
Okay, what you're going to need is a glue gun. You're going to need clothespins. You're going to need picture frames, and you're going to need paint from Deco Art. The paint I'm using, this is AMERICANA Royal Fuchsia, and this one is AMERICANA Hauser Light Green. I'm going to be painting each one of these a different color. So, step one, remove everything inside the picture frame, including the glass. Okay, then we're going to heat up the glue gun and we are going to glue the clothespins onto the picture frame. I'm going to do one the short way and one the long way so that the kids can hang their pictures on the frame. All right, now we're going to hot glue . Then we let this dry. So once the clothespin is dry, we're going to paint. I put some on and then just kind of spread it around. Now since this is a dark picture frame, we're probably going to need to use a couple bottles. Okay, then we're going to keep repeating this until the color is exactly what I want. So it'll probably be like 3 or 4 coats just because we used dark picture frames. But again, like I said, using what you have and making it work is so much more beneficial than buying new. Okay, so I finished painting and this one took 5 coats. The green one took 3 coats just because I used a dark picture frame. So I really wanted to make sure that the color was bold and bright so that it could match the decor in this room. So once it is all dry and finished, you get to hang up your picture frame. So I used the 3M Velcro hooks to hang on the back side of the picture frame. I put one on the top and one on the bottom. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.